Hello everyone, welcome to AKS IAS. This is Santosh Kokar. Today we will discuss one question. Before that, we will check small information. APPSC Group 2 English medium classes have been started. Our services including digital classrooms, time-bound completion of syllabus, state-level test series, updated study material, and monthly current affairs magazine. For more information, you can call these numbers. So let's take today's question related to subject science and technology. Question for 18th September 2024. How can advancements in space technology aid in environmental monitoring and climate change mitigation in India? Discuss with reference to recent satellite missions and their contributions. Here, after reading the question, we need to focus on creating our 3 steps before writing answer. First important thing is question reading. Within 1 minute we need to focus on identifying important topic and also different parts and also different question tags and keywords. Very important step. So here the topic is advancements in space technology. Very important, related to science and technology. And also how many parts are there? 2 parts are there. First we need to focus on providing how can advancements in space technology aid in environmental monitoring and climate change mitigation. And second part is discussed with reference to recent satellite missions and their contributions. Right? There are 2 parts. Here discuss question tag is very much important. We need to focus on providing positives and negatives and also some challenges, right? Very important. So needed measures also we need to focus on, right? Challenges means negatives only, right? Here we need to focus on other question tag is how, no need to worry regarding what, how, these type of keywords, normal question tags only, right? So next keywords, coming to keywords, here we need to focus on one by one. Environmental monitoring is one important keyword, and also climate change, second important thing, keyword mitigation, especially climate change mitigation. Here we need to focus on advancements in space technology is the first important thing. We need to provide some advancements, recent advancements in space technology related to environmental monitoring and climate mitigation only. Okay, no need to divert here. Clear cut keywords are there. Next, second part with reference to recent satellite missions and their contributions. Here we need to focus on providing recent satellite missions and their contributions only. So many aspirants are dividing these particular 2 parts separately. First they have written these advancements and then they have provided recent satellites missions again. No need to divide these parts, but here only in the advancements part only we need to focus on including recent satellite missions and their contributions, and then we need to focus on giving challenges, and then before conclusion we need to provide some needed measures. Simple structure here, right? So next, coming to brainstorming, within 1 minute here we need to recall our important keywords related to the topic. What are the important keywords this particular topic? Here we have so many recent satellite missions, right? We need to provide all these. That is the most important task. We have INSAT, recent INSAT 3DS, right? We have EOS, Earth Observation Satellite 8, recently launched, right? We have some earlier observation satellites are also there. We have Cartosat, we have OceanSat 3, Cartosat 3, right? INSAT 3DR also we have, right? 3DS and 3DR. So we have RESAT, right? RESAT 1A, especially synthetic aperture radar technology, and also we have ResourceSat also we have, right? All these are important examples we need to include here and there in the particular answer, right? We have MethaneSat recently launched, right, in the March itself, and also NISAR going to launch, very important NISAR. And also in between we need to provide some information regarding examples oriented. For example, we are talking about some environmental monitoring and climate change, right? Then we need to focus on some natural disasters also, right? For example, cyclones, recent cyclones. How can be these type of advancements in technology, space technology, these satellite missions help to contain or to mitigate the particular recent cyclones, right? So we need to focus on that. Otherwise we can talk about Paris Agreement. here and there as an example, right? So all these are keywords, important keywords need to be included in our answer, right? So next, coming to our introduction part, we need to focus on starting current affairs introduction. Here, what is our topic here? Recent advancements in space technology, right? Not recent advancements in space technology. Here, just we need to focus on creating our current affairs related. Means recent we have INSAT, 3DS we have, and also Earth observation satellite 8 is there, right? So these are playing a pivotal role in environmental monitoring and climate change mitigation. We can start with this particular 2 to 3 lines only, right? So next, coming to recent measures, means recent particular completed current affairs related. Next, we need to focus on providing some static background here. Static background means here we need to focus on providing some background of some space technology in India, because it is very crucial for tackling our environmental changes at both regional and global levels, right? Whatever we have satellites, we are collecting so much data on deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, and natural disasters, right? All these information related to ISRO also we need to connect here. ISRO has been at the forefront of these technological advancements, particularly with the Earth observation satellites, right? Very important. So next, coming to our body part here. Here, coming to the body part, here we can connect this particular recent sectors or applications of important space technology here. Applications of space technology, that is very important. So coming to body part, we need to connect our one by one keywords here. Advancements, right? Advancements, especially here advancements in space technology. For first, we need to focus on providing environmental monitoring, especially environmental monitoring segment here, right? Keyword, very important. Here, high resolution imaging and data analytics is very important. High resolution, right? High resolution and also high resolution imaging, and also we have data analytics also, right? Very important. Here we need to focus on providing some examples. For example, we have Cartosat, right? Cartosat 3 we have in India achieved higher precision in monitoring land use, water bodies, and forest cover also. It is very vital or important for planning reforestation and sustainable land management practices, right? Because, for example, we have Cartosat 3 can capture images a spatial resolution of 25 centimeter. Significantly, it is aiding urban planning and environmental protection efforts also. Next, coming to second important advancement is recent satellite missions. Whatever we have EOS 8, or we have EOS 6 also we have, for example, OceanSat. EOS 6, Earth observation satellite 6 is OceanSat 3 only, right? It was launched in 2022, right? It provides valuable data on ocean color and sea surface temperature and wind vector also, right? We can connect these particular important OceanSat 3, right? So already it has been instrumental in monitoring the health of coral reefs and detecting marine pollution caused by our oil spills or plastics, etc. That is very important thing. OceanSat, already we have covered Cartosat 3 and OceanSat 3. Third example related to our environmental concern, we have this particular phenomenon. So third means here next important thing is we have to include our climate change mitigation in India. Contribution of satellites in mitigation, particular contribution of particular whatever we have satellites, right? So air quality monitoring is very important, considering our climate change, especially air quality monitoring, right? Very important. This is right. Here we need to focus on our important examples. Again, we have INSAT 3DR, right? Provide continuous observations of atmosphere which help in tracking our air pollutants such as PM particulate matter 2.5 and nitrogen oxides also, right? So inside 3dr is very important here, because infrared and thermal imaging capabilities have been crucial in tracking these particular forest fires and their impact on air pollution or air quality especially, right? So next we have water resource management also. Water resource management, that is also very important here. So because here we need to connect our resat 1a, it use synthetic aperture radar, right, SAR technology, so to monitor surface and groundwater levels also, which helping to manage water resources in drought prone, especially drought prone regions, and optimize irrigation practices in agriculture also. Very good important factor application, right? Next we have forest and biodiversity here. Forest and biodiversity monitoring, that is also very important here, right, regarding our climate change applications, right? Here we have resource sat 2a satellite monitors our forest cover and tracking deforestation. It is helping India meet its target under Paris climate deal, right, climate agreement. That is also need to connect here. So because we are connecting each and every point regarding climate change, earlier regarding environmental monitoring, right? So these two are different segments, right? So next we have disaster management also, contributions of satellites to climate change mitigation. We have disaster management, right? We have disaster management in this satellites like INSAT 3dr we have, and also Cartosat 2, providing early warning systems for cyclone, floods and droughts, right? This is also very important. Next we have carbon footprint and emission tracking also doing by these particular satellites, right? So tracking greenhouse gas emissions especially, very important, from industrial regions and agricultural activities. For example, here we can take recent particular satellite methane sat. This is very important. It will be playing a key role in tracking methane emissions, a potential greenhouse gas, to continuous our contribution of global warming, right? So methane sat, very important. So otherwise here whatever we have challenges, we need to provide in a bit, means 2 to 3 simple challenges are enough. Likewise we have lack of infra, or we have lack of R&D fund, right? General important challenges are needed here. Lack of capacity building, means lack of training related to particular technology advancements need to be included or incremented, right, increased, right? So next we need to provide some needed measures also here, right? For whatever we have challenges, we need to provide some needed measures. Enhanced satellite network is very important, right? Satellite network enhancement is very important here. For that, India should invest in more advanced satellites here, especially in remote areas. Whatever we have remote areas, Himalaya state, or we have northeastern region, right? In these particular regions, compulsorily India should invest to more advanced satellites, right? Next we should cooperate with international particular countries, right? International collaboration is very important here. That is also very important, because to enhance India's capacity to tackle global environmental challenges, it is very much crucial to share satellite data on climate change especially. Climate change is not only India's or US's issue, right? It is overall world issue, right? We need to share the important satellite data on this particular issue, right? So third important thing is we need to increase our fund by following as usual PPP model, public private partnership, to encourage partnership between ISRO, especially ISRO and private firms. What we have, we need to accelerate innovation in satellite technology and environmental application by using PPP model, right? That is the important needed measures are these. So coming to conclusion, if we follow above measures, future missions, whatever we have already started methane sat, right? With methane sat is there, and also NISAR is coming to start, right? So we'll going to start So these two, especially these two recent or upcoming satellites will strengthen India's efforts to monitor emissions and combat climate change, making space technology an indispensable tool for a sustainable future. That is very important. Sustainable future, right? Here we can connect our Viksit Bharat also, right, at 2047 using our space technology or advanced space technology, advancement in space technology, we can achieve particular goal, right? So this is the perfect structure to the important question, right? Let's take today's answer written by Vidyasagar. Recently ISRO launched EOS 8 satellite, very good connectivities. Next, applications of space technology here, environmental monitoring, forest fires, we have Nainital forest fires, and also land subsidence. So especially applications he has connected first. ISRO warned landslide in Jyotirmath, environmental protection also. We have UNFCCC methane satellite, very good example. And also climate change monitoring, second part of the question, right? Weather forecasting, especially mission Mausam integration, enhanced capabilities. For example, IMD issues early warning systems for heat waves. Recently we have seen tropical cyclones. We have experienced heat waves in the past summers, right? Tropical cyclones also here, Cartosat series and EOS services, very good. Next we have resource operations. We have severe natural disasters and satellite systems, right? Especially Karnataka and Kerala. Glacial lake outbursts, very good example. Recently we have seen in the Sikkim, right? Very good example. And recent satellites, whatever we have, Aditya L1 included, very good. And also Chandrayaan 3 also included, very good. EOS 6, 8 and also 6 is there, that is also very important. So it was launched in 2022, right? So and also Chandrayaan 2 also included, very good. Way forward, India has to enhance its capability and early warning system, heavy rainfall, etc. we have, right? Heat waves. For that we need to focus on enhancing our capabilities for early warning systems. Should involve private players, PPP, etc. We need to focus on fund generation, right? That is also very important. So international collaboration, that is also very important, very good point. Encourage education institutions. So already some Indian institutions, technology IITs are including these type of inventing these type of technologies also, space missions, right? Satellite missions, very good. So other than that, with growing potential risks of climate change and its impacts, India need to enhance its satellite coverage all critical areas of the country, including remote areas, and strive for SDG 13, that is climate action. Very good. So good connection here. So coming to overall analysis of this particular answer here, good introduction, good current affairs introduction, especially recently launched, right? So other than that, here need to talk about some space technology, right? Space technology, by using space technology, whatever we have done in the earlier, we need to focus on providing some advancement, some applications or some information. Especially we have some space technology is very much crucial for tackling environmental challenges. Earlier, collection of data on deforestation, greenhouse gases, or natural disasters, whatever we have, simple information like background we need to provide here, one particular para, small para. So other than that, everything okay with the examples and all. Recent methane satellite also included, and also other than that, NISAR is also very important. It was missed, please check it. So other than that, everything okay. So for this answer we can connect, except background part missed. Other than that, everything okay. For this answer we can provide 5.5 out of 10 marks. Very good, right? So let's check today's next day 71 main Shikshna free initiative related essay, 19th September 2024. Simultaneous elections in India, a pathway to political stability or a threat to democratic diversity. That is related to our second and third essay, general essay 3. Write your essay in AKS app, uploaded, and also thank you very much. All the very best.